Hey guys, it's about 6 o'clock in the morning. We're at the Tijuana border to the airport here. We're about to cross over to Mexico and catch our flight down to San Carlos area. So this will be fun. Never done this before. Got the crew all here and on up front. We got Daniel and we got Enrique. We're heading down to see their boat for the first time. Should be fun. How's it going, Renan?
What's up?
My friend from my marina, Renan, and I flew from Florida to LA to meet Enrique and Daniel, the owners of sailing vessel Black Lotus. A 1986 Hans Christian Christina 40, hull number 2. They had bought the boat about 3 years before in Mexico. Renan met the owners through findacrew.net. And it turned out they were already fans of sailing Moxie and had seen my videos. They wanted help prepping their boat, launching it for the first time, and conducting sea trials in preparation for moving it up to California in about 2 months. We ultimately ran into some issues launching the boat. Still leaking. But it was a productive trip for them to get the boat ready for the move. We met Enrique and Daniel in LA, but their boat was down in San Carlos on the Gulf of California, or the Sea of Cortez. So we had to drive down to the border to take a flight from the Tijuana airport. To get to the airport, we parked at the border crossing on the U.S. side and crossed the border on foot. I had been to Mexico several times before, on cruises or by driving down, but this method through the cross-border express was new to me, and quite nice and convenient. We filled out some online forms, paid a $30 round-trip fee, passed through immigration on both sides, and walked across a 390-foot pedestrian bridge and the border to the Tijuana airport. It was all very easy. Then we were on our way. A little over an hour later, we touched down at the airport in Hermosillo, which is the capital of the state of Sonora. From there, we rented a car and drove the hour and a half down to San Carlos. San Carlos is a subdivision of the port city of Guaymas and has about 7,000 inhabitants. There seem to be a lot of Americans there as well. Once we got situated in our hotel, we headed to the dry boat yard to see Black Lotus and see what we were up against. There they go, there's the boat. Black Lotus. Seeing it for the first time in a year. We spent that first day assessing the boat and deciding what we needed to do to splash her and test her out. Alright, we'll climb up and take a look for ourselves. We found ourselves in a few tight places, checking out all the systems.
Turn on Link 5000.
Oh, this is nice.
Then we went to check out the marina attached to the hotel where we would launch her. And of course, we enjoyed a cold beverage or two and some good food after our long trip and a hard day's work. In the next episode, we'll show you some of the projects we attacked over the next few days. Turn it the other way. And the launch of the boat for the first time. This was a proud moment for Enrique and Daniel. We'll also show you what went wrong with the launch and why we didn't get to sea trial her on this trip. Small leak. We just ran out of time. Be sure to follow SV Black Lotus on Instagram to learn more about their boat and their adventure. Alright guys, we are done with boat projects for the day. It is about Margarita 30. We're going to go grab a drink and lick our wounds. Thanks for watching Sailing Moxie. We'll see you next time.